2009 VW Taurag diesel. This car have a flood issue. The car is running now. So let me show you what we have inside. We get it from the dealer. The sunroof was leaking and it gone into the car where it's full of flood. The first thing, we dry it out, and here is the battery location, how it's sitting. That's the ground from the battery there, and the power coming from here to here, and here are the fuse location, and that is the airbag. They call it, I don't know the name of it, but in Volkswagen, when there is an accident, this thing will deploy, or it will disengage the wire, or it will blow off, and then it will cut the continuity of the power from here to here to the car. It will prevent the car from starting. Also the seat, we finished this one, we changed some relays, accessory relays. The car now is start. Also we changed, there is no water here, but everything here look good. But if you look at the other side, that is the navigation, backup camera module, where it sit. But the good news is everything is good now. We have to change those wires. Here are the fuses. Turn the key off. Take the battery out. Yes, you may have to get a seat also, because anything that if the water reach here, those motor, if they freeze or if they go bad, it's better to change the seat. And if there is any module here related to it, be sure that there is nothing can stop the seat from going back and forth. And you're good to go. A nice car. Color is white. And be sure that there is no water. Here, that's the seat. Anything that have water in it, please clean it out. Make it good. Here is the airbag. Module, there is no water there. Shift. Everything is good. That's the module for the navigation. Backup camera is there. And we're gonna have a nice driving car. Thank you for watching.